They're the giants of internet in 2025. One is everywhere, the other promises lightning speed. But which one really delivers? Xfinity or AT&T Fiber? On the left, Xfinity with wide coverage and fast cable speeds. And on the right, AT&T Fiber, offering blazing fast, reliable fiber internet. Let's skip the buzzwords and get to the real stuff. Each category earns points, and at the end, you'll see exactly who comes out on top. The result might not be what you expect. Okay, here's our mind map. We're going to cover price, speed and performance, data caps, customer satisfaction, availability, and equipment and installation. So if you want to know about, say, unlimited data or how easy the setup is, yep, it's all on here. Let's kick things off with price, because seriously, who doesn't check the monthly bill first? So with Xfinity, you get some decent budget options if you're going for lower speeds. And, nice touch, no contracts required. But, and here's where I kind of sighed, prices really go up if you want those faster plans. Plus, they toss on an equipment rental fee of $14 every month. Now, AT&T Fiber? This one's actually pretty sweet. The pricing for the high speeds is really competitive. And, oh, love this. The equipment's included. No rental fee at all. The one catch is that fiber isn't just, like, everywhere yet. But yeah, AT&T Fiber wins this category. All right, now for speed and performance. So Xfinity does deliver some pretty fast downloads, up to 1200 megabits per second if you go big, and they've got a whole range of speed tiers for different budgets. But if you're uploading, videos, files, whatever, it's a little, slower than fiber. Plus, because it's cable, during peak times your speed can kind of drop since you're sharing bandwidth with the whole neighborhood. AT&T Fiber though, whew, this is fun. Fiber goes up to 5,000 mbits per second. That's insane. And the uploads are just as fast as the downloads. So if you're streaming or video calling a lot, you'll feel it. It's super reliable, future-proof tech too. Only downside? Again, not everywhere. This one's clear. AT&T Fiber ticks more boxes for speed. Let's talk data caps. This is one of those things you don't really notice until you hit it, and suddenly Netflix is like, sorry. So Xfinity actually gives you a pretty large cap, 1.2 terabytes per month, which, sure, covers most folks. But unlimited data? You have to pay extra, unless you're on their top tier. AT&T Fiber makes this so easy. All fiber plans are totally unlimited. No extra fees, no catch. Just go wild with your streaming and gaming. For real, AT&T Fiber pulls way ahead here. Oh, and here's something cool you might not know. AT&T Fiber gives you symmetrical speeds. That means uploads are just as quick as downloads, which is honestly perfect if you're gaming, live streaming, or uploading a ton of videos. Customer satisfaction time. So honestly, Xfinity has been working on their customer service, and some people say it's way better now. But their BBB ratings aren't as high as AT&T's, and yeah, I've seen some mixed reviews about tech support. AT&T Fiber, on the other hand, has really high satisfaction scores, an A rating with BBB, and 24/7 support is included. The main grumbles? People wishing fiber was in more places. Still, I've got to say, AT&T Fiber gets the win for keeping customers happy. On to availability, super important. And here's where Xfinity flexes hard. They're basically everywhere, with the biggest cable network in the US. But if you want Xfinity Fiber, it's only in select locations. AT&T Fiber is spreading out, especially in metro areas, and their network is growing fast. But if you're out in the sticks or suburbs, you might not get it yet. So for this one, Xfinity is still tops for being the most widely available. And last category, equipment and installation. Okay, with Xfinity, you can use your own router if you want, always a plus. But unless you do, they'll charge you that monthly rental fee. Yep, $14 again. Now, AT&T Fiber includes Wi-Fi gear in the price, no extra fee. And you can go for self-install if you want something simple. But if your home isn't wired for fiber, you do need a pro to set it up. All in all, I'd say AT&T's approach is just easier for most people. If you stack up all these categories side by side, AT&T Fiber keeps coming out on top in most areas. Speed, price for what you get, unlimited data, happier customers, and even equipment perks. But Xfinity really shines for coverage, so it's not totally one-sided. So what's my call? AT&T Fiber wins for speed, reliability, and unlimited data, hands down, if you can get it where you live. If you can't, Xfinity is still awesome for broad coverage and those budget cable options. If you're chasing the fastest, most reliable connection for 2025, check if AT&T Fiber is available at your place. But hey, if it's not, Xfinity's got you covered with solid cable internet almost everywhere.